Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm here with one of the best homemade recipe to improve your immunity. Our very old traditional turmeric milk, popularly known as golden milk. So first you need to boil some milk. And here is a small tip, add some water before adding the milk, then the milk will not stick to the bottom. Now let's add in milk, which is really healthy for your bones and teeth. It repairs your muscle tissues, improves your heart health, and it really cures acidity. Now whisk the milk in between and let it start boiling. And when it starts to boil, add the main ingredient, turmeric, which has curcumin, and it has anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties which will really improve your immunity and fight against common cold and flu. Then add in the pepper, which absorbs the curcumin into the body, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, also controls the blood sugar level. Then comes the garlic, which can fight against the common sickness and cold. It can also help bringing up the blocked mucus from the chest. Now next add in ginger, which has the power to decrease the inflammation from the body. It can reduce nausea and also improve immunity. Now let's whisk in all the powerful ingredients into the milk and boil it. Once the milk gets a good boil, add in some ghee, which is also called as clarified butter, which has anti-inflammatory property and keep you warm from inside, and which is really good for your heart and an effective remedy for constipation. And whisk this all really well and let it have a good boil so that all the goodness of the ingredients absorb into the milk. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool down a bit. Then add in some honey, which has antibacterial, antifungal properties, a good source of antioxidant, really good for a sore throat and really strengthens your immune system. Whisk it really well and add some froth into the milk. You can drink the milk just like that, but if you are giving to the kids, strain it and serve. Take this turmeric milk every night before you go to bed. Improve your immunity, stay healthy, stay safe. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your family and friends. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.